Mortimer, Warwick, Pembroke, and others. It means the barons. Barons are organized once upon as they were organized earlier, and they had also held a meeting to rebanish him. So again they are united here. Kent, who is the brother of Edward the King and also the important baron. Now he is opposed also. My lords, of love this our native land, I come to join with you and leave the king. Now he has left his brother Edward the king, and now wanted he to join the barons, those who are rebellion against the king. They are opposed to the king. So now even the brother has left the King Edward II, and he has wished to join the barons who are opposed to the decision of the king. And in your quarrel and the realms behove will be the first that shall adventure life. So Kent actually has forsaken his brother because he is not in a position to understand anything. So for the benefit of the nation, England, he has forsaken his friend and has decided to join the group of barons to oppose the king. Clear? Lancaster, I fear me you are sent of policy to undermine us with a show of love. But nobody is in a position to accept him. Why? Because he is suspicious. Kent has a suspicious character because he was the brother of Edward the King. And how can he forsake his brother? That is a question. But because he has been misbehaved by the king, his brother, his own brother, now he has left that group and he wishes to join the new group, those who are rebellion in nature, the barons. Warwick, he is your brother, therefore have we cause to cast the worst and doubt of your revolt. Because you are the relative of the king, you are the brother of the king, so how will you leave him? So we are suspicious actually. How can you revolt against the king that is your brother? Kent, mine honor shall be hostage of my truth. If that will not suffice, farewell, my lords. He is trying his best to convince them that he has forsaken his brother, the king, because he is wrong, because he has something wrong relationship with that of Gaveston, and he has been mistreated. He has suggested the king what to do, what is the need of the nation, but he has been denied and mistreated. So that's why he left him. Young Mortimer, stay Edmund, never was Plantagenet false of his word, and therefore trust be thee. Young Mortimer supported that he should be believed in, Kent should be believed. Pembroke, but what's the reason you should leave him now? I have informed the Earl of Lancaster. What is the reason that you left your brother? And it sufficed. Now, my lords, know this, that Gaveston is secretly arrived, and here in Tennymouth frolics with the king. Let us with these our followers scale the walls and suddenly surprise them up unawares. I'll give the onset, I will follow thee. It means they are going to attack over the king. They are getting ready. That this startled ensign of my ancestors, which swept desert shore of this Dead Sea, whereof we got the name of Mortimer, will I advance upon his castle walls. Drums like alarms raise them from their sport and ring aloud the knell of Gaveston. So now Gaveston should be challenged. They all are united to kill Gaveston because killing has been left only as an last alternative. So Gaveston should be killed. That is in the that is in the interest of the country. So we should try to kill him. He should be challenged. Here, you Gaveston nor his friends. That is only one suggestion in the group that we should kill Gaveston, but everybody should not touch the king. Why king? Because he is the accepted king, because he is the leader of the country, because he is the legal head of the country. So king should be respected. Only Gaveston should be retaliated. He should be killed. That is the planning of the barons. Now scene 4. in Tennymouth Castle, where the king is living. King Edward, oh, tell me, Spencer, where is Gaveston? See, the king is such a fan of his friend Gaveston that each and every time he is engaged in him, each and every time he calls for him, he misses him actually. In 4, please now concentrate. It is the Tennymouth Castle where the king is living. No, inter severely severely the king Edward and the younger Elizabeth. Actually, the king always misses his friend Gaveston. He always calls for after him, young Spencer. I fear he is slain, my gracious lord. So that is a news that the Spencer shares that Gaveston might be killed because that was the planning of the barons. No, here he comes. Now let them spoil and king. But no, it is false. Actually, he has not been king. But there is chance that he may be killed soon and later. Enter Queen Isabella, King Edward's niece, Gaveston, and novels. Fly, fly, my lords, the earls have got the whole. Take shipping and away, so Scarborough, Spencer, and I will post away by land. Gaveston, oh, stay. I will post away by land. Oh, stay, my lord, they will not injure you. King Edward, I will not trust them, Gaveston. Away. Everybody knows that Gaveston is in the danger of killing because barons are opposed to Gaveston and barons may any time kill his friend Gaveston. Gaveston, farewell, my lord, lady, farewell, farewell, sweet uncle, till we meet again. Farewell, sweet Gaveston, and farewell, niece. He is going. No farewell to poor Isabel, the queen. Yes, yes, for Mortimer, your love's sake. Exeunt all but Queen Isabella. Queen Isabella, heavens can witness I love none but you. Actually, she has been charged with licentiousness that she is in the love with young Mortimer. But Queen Isabella always protests this that she has no relation with young Mortimer, but she has to prove it each and every time. Heavens can witness I love none but you. You means the King Edward II. From my embracements, thus he breaks away. Oh, that mine arms, actually, this is an explanatory line. Arms could close this isle about, that I might pull him to me where I would, or that these tears that drizzle from mine eyes had power to mollify his stony heart, that when I had, we might ever part. Actually, Isabella is trying her best to convince her husband that she wanted to change her husband a stony heart. Stony heart means King Edward is heartless. He is very cruel. He doesn't love his own wife, Isabella. And Isabella has faith. What type of faith? That she may change the heart of this cruel heart of Edward II, the king. But she is not successful. She can't prove her love to her husband. So that's why she is unable to impress her own husband as she was promised by the King Edward in her second marriage. Enter Lancaster, Warwick, the young Mortimer, and others, alarms within, because they are opposed to the king. They are enemies of the king, and now they enter Lancaster. I wonder how he is escaped because Gaveston is always in danger of killing, and Gaveston has left the court just before some time when the barons came to the court. Young Mortimer, who is this? The queen. Yeah, Mortimer, the miserable queen. She says herself as miserable queen, Bechari queen, no? Whose pining heart her inward sighs have blasted, and body with continual mourning wasted. These hands are tired with hailing of my lord, from Gaveston, from big to Gaveston, because she is not able to impress her husband. So that's why she is mourning, she is soaking, and she is also cursing this wicked Gaveston. Why this is she is cursing? because he has been the root problem all her life, because she has been misbehaved by the king, her husband, due to this wild nature of Gaveston. So that's why she has been cursing this person, Gaveston. She is not happy with him. And all in vain, for when I speak him fair, he turns away and a smile upon his minion. देखो, whenever she tries to love her husband, Edward II, he is not even uh, talking with her. No. Whenever she sees towards her husband, even he turns his face to other. He is always engaged in his minion, in his servant Gaveston. And this is the weakness of the king. He has been completely empowered not to love his own wife, but to love this person, this wild and wicked and rogue person, Gaveston, young Mortimer. Cease to lament and tell us where is the king. Actually, she is lamenting. Lamenting means she is soaking, she is mourning. She has been sad and distressed that her husband is not loving her, and that is the main problem of her life. That she is not able to attract her own husband. She is not able to disengage him with that of wicked Gaveston. Gaveston has actually ruined her life, destroyed her life. That she has been not respected in this court, although she has been the sister of a valorous king, a strong king of France. But still she has been mistreated, she has been misbehaved. Isabella, what would you with the king? Isn't him you seek? Why are you searching of king, my husband? See, although she is not loved by her husband, but she wanted to save him from any problem. Madam, no, madam, but that cursed Gaveston, far be it from the thought of Lancaster to offer violence to his sovereign. He would but rid the realm of Gaveston, tell us where he remains, and he shall die. Actually, young Mortimer has been seeking not the king, actually Gaveston. Why? What is the purpose? Because they are retaliated to Gaveston. They all have arrived in this court to murder Gaveston, to revenge him, because he has been the problem with to all for this nation. He is the problematic person. So there is no alternative than to murder him. So that's why they have decided to murder Gaveston, his friend. So that's why they have been searching for him. They have not been searching the king. He is gone by water unto Scarborough. Pursue him quickly, and he cannot escape. The king hath left him, and is trained in a small. Listen, actually, Isabella is offering her help because she too wanted to get rid of this wicked person, Gaveston. So that's why she just suggested that he has been going to a Scarborough. So you should follow him and murder him because he is very small in quantity. He is very small. There are few people with him. So he should be murdered immediately. That is the target of the barons, and Queen has also joined her hand with them. And she also wanted to kill him because he is the problem. He has deprived her that of her husband. The King Edward II, he has been beguiled, he has been bewitched. So that's why she also wanted to kill her. Weston has fled away, and you should catch him. He is a small in number, so it is very easy to kill him. So that's why she suggested. Why? Because she has also been fed up with him. Because he has been the destroyer of her life. Gaveston has deprived her that of her husband. So that's why she is angry. Warwick. For slow no time, sweet Lancaster, let's march. March where? We should march to Gaveston, capture him and kill him. How comes it that the king and he is parted? That is, this your army going several ways might be of lesser force, and with the power that he intendeth presently to raise, be easily suppressed and therefore be gone. Young Mortimer. Here in the river rides a Flemish boy. Why? Let's all aboard and follow him, men. So because he has been going by water, so that's why they also aboarded on boat and followed him. The wind that bears him hence will fill our sails. Come, come aboard. It was an hour sailing. So just 1 hour has passed. He might be pursued and captured. Madam, stay you within this castle here. So, madam, don't worry. You should live in this castle, and we are going to pursue, to chase this big Gaveston. If he is found, if he is captured, he immediately will be killed. That is their target. No, Mortimer, I'll to my lord the king, nay, rather saith with us to Scarborough. You know the king is so suspicious, as if here I have but talked with you, mine honor will be called in question, and therefore, gentle Mortimer, be gone. देखो what happens. Mortimer offered her. He invited her to follow with them, but no, she can't go there. She will have to stay with the king. Why? Because even she will talk to Mortimer, there would be rumor. What type of rumor? That she has intimacy with this young Mortimer. Her respect will be in question.